Deposit a check in under a minute with the Fifth Third mobile app. Step 1. Open the Fifth Third app and sign in with passcode or biometrics. Step 2. Tap Deposit Checks, then choose the account you want to use. Step 3. Endorse the back of the check and add for mobile deposit only. Step 4. Place the check on a dark, flat surface and center it in frame. Step 5. Capture the front image, then capture the back when prompted. Ensure clarity. Step 6. Enter the exact amount, add a memo if needed, then tap Submit. You'll see a confirmation screen with a deposit tracking number. Save it for records. Funds availability follows Fifth Third's policy. Keep the paper check for 14 days. If photos are blurry, retake them. Update the app or contact support if errors persist. Quick tips: use bright light, avoid shadows, and follow the app's on-screen guidelines. That's all. Secure, fast mobile deposits with Fifth Third. Start your deposit now.